Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, Pisces, I feel like this is split. For some of you guys, this is somebody from your past. To be honest, this is somebody from your past. I do feel like this person that you are dealing with is someone that you're meant to marry, which is why it's asking you to let your friends help you. And they're asking you guys to get to know each other, so reveal, some of the deepest, darkest secrets, fears, things that you have to really get to really know that person. But I will be honest with you, for a lot of you guys, there's somebody new coming in. I know I said this was split, but it's more like a, 75-25 type of situation. Yeah, because I feel like for a lot of you guys, there's somebody new coming in. And this person that's coming in, this is the one who you will end up marrying. And they're asking you, still open yourselves up, get to know this person. And this is why the let your friends help you card came out, because it's like your friends have been noticing, okay, in your past relationships, you have been done wrong. And so maybe you guys are like, hey, let me tell you about this person I just met, or, whatever. And, you're just getting feedback, so they're helping you out. So anyway, let's see what's going on, Pisces. All right, so tell me about Pisces. General reading, first half of December, please. Okay, Pisces, let's see what's going on. Okay, so, bottom of the deck, you guys have the Five of Swords. So, this is telling me that somebody is stuck in their head. There's a lot of, mental conflict going on. Maybe because you guys feel like something was lost. Alright, Seven of Cups. So some of you guys don't really like the options that you have right now. Clarify the Seven of Cups, please. Y'all know I have to say this every time. This is a general reading, so just take, take the reading if it fits your situation, and it could go vice versa. So anyway, like I was saying, so some of you guys basically don't like the options that you have right now. If you guys are dealing with someone, or you were dealing with someone, maybe you're over that person because this person has other options, or there's things about this individual that you just don't care for, and you're looking at them like, you know what, you no longer make me happy. Maybe this person is draining some of you guys financially. Maybe they just don't have their finances together, but you're over it, picking it up already. You don't see it going anywhere. I do feel like this person wants to come back and turn things around. Somebody wants to fix things. It's definitely somebody from your past. I told y'all, some of y'all are dealing with somebody from your past, so let's just see how this plays out. The Devil in reverse. Okay, so somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. If not, this person, you had to walk away from this person because they were just toxic as hell. And y'all cut off communication, or, communication is just coming in slow because you literally had to walk away from this person. This wasn't a good individual. I'm picking up for somebody. Yeah, this person was horrible. You made the right decision walking away. I will just say that. All right, what else do you have? All right, back and forth energy. Let's see. Yeah, oh, okay. So I feel like when it comes to some of you guys who are dealing with someone from the past, it's like 1 minute, you're ready to move on. You learned your lesson. You're like, you know what? I deserve better. Let's keep it pushing. But on the flip side, you're still thinking about this individual. And some of you guys really do. You're holding on. Let's see. That's not for everybody, but it's for somebody out here. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. I feel like somebody didn't learn something. It's like you did, but you didn't. That makes sense. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Somebody's trying to have a peace of mind here. About what? Temperance. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but I feel like somebody's trying to balance out the situation. Okay, you're just gonna fly. Hold on, y'all. I'm so sorry. This is
Somebody's trying to have a peace of mind. Somebody's trying to balance out the situation. I do feel like whoever messed up, they want to come and give you an offer, but you can't take them seriously. You're not happy with this person. This person was sneaky. You feel like this person needs to clean up their act if they really do want to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but you're no longer putting the effort and the energy into this situation, and you're focusing on yourself. Clarify the Knight of Cups. Yep, okay. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I do feel like they're getting ready to take the lead here, and they want to come back towards you to apologize, but they don't have the confidence to do so, because this person is like, 1 minute they want to take the lead to come and do so, the next minute they're kind of hanging back. But I feel like this person was just being a player, and that's why they want to come back towards you to apologize for their actions. But at the end of the day, it's like, can you really trust them? Because this is toxic for some of y'all. Let me see. Tell me about the King of Wands here for Pisces. What do you want them to know? Oh my gosh, come on now. Okay. Alright, so somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But there's an imbalance here between you and this individual, and you know it. You know, I feel like they know it too, but somebody's still trying to hold on because they really do want a commitment. They see a commitment with this person, they see marriage with this person. Yeah, somebody wants a new beginning here. But Pisces, I feel like with the 10 of Wands here, this is you. You know that when you dealt with this person, you were the one putting in all the work. This person didn't do anything at all. Like, and this is why you originally dropped them. So it's like, you know, here they come trying to give you this offer, but like I said before, can you trust it? Look at that. They want to give you a victory here. They want a victory with you. Look at that. They want a new opportunity. For some of you guys, it could be that this person was obligated to do, you know, other things for other people. They were playing around, whatever your situation is. And now maybe they're realizing, okay, this person walked away from me. You know, I need to clean up what I'm doing. I need to drop those behaviors, those people, so that way I can have the commitment with this person. I can start a new beginning. We'll have a victory. We can travel. We can do all these things. But I don't know. Something is still, I'm kind of side-eyeing this person still. I mean, everybody can change, but I don't know why. I don't know who I'm picking up on, but I'm side-eyeing somebody here. Somebody definitely, like I said, they want a new opportunity with you. They could be trying to get you to come and travel with them. Maybe they just want to express to you that they're sorry and they're done playing games. So communication is definitely opening up here. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but somebody's trying to have hope that the situation will play out in their favor. Look at that. But I feel like somebody feels like, okay, they're not going to have what it is that they're hoping and wishing for. Yeah. It's the person that messed up. They're back and forth. This person moves very slow to do anything, to make decisions. And it's like they want to talk to you, but they're not. And it's due to the fact that they feel like things are not improving. And it could be financially wise, too. Yeah. Somebody's definitely worried about their finances here. But somebody's trying to weigh up their options, trying to figure out what to do. Lord, yeah. Somebody right now is putting in the work to fix their finances here. But I do feel like the person that messed up, they want to come back and put in the hard work to fix the relationship. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here. But yeah, this person wants to bring stability into the situation. But somebody's using their intuition now. Alright, Justice, Knight of Swords, Queen of Wands. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I feel like somebody here has been looking for the truth, because you guys have been using your intuition and you've been feeling like, okay, something's not right. So you guys made that judgment call to walk away from this individual because something just wasn't sitting right. And I do feel like now they're trying to rush back in to tell you, you know, what it is that they want, how they truly feel. And it's like you guys are trying to be positive about it, but you're up late at night, you're worried because this person has let you out in the cold before. But they're saying you're coming out of that energy here, and you're going to speak up and tell this person how you really feel. You guys are cutting them off. Oh my God, yeah, you guys are cutting them off. I mean, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. I have a Leo here that somebody could be dealing with, but honestly, I told you I was side-eyeing this person because something just, you know, it sounds good, but something ain't right. For some of y'all, I do feel like there's a percentage of y'all, like this person may have learned their lesson, so now they want to put in the work, and you guys are gonna, you know, wait to see if they're consistent. But for others of you, y'all, this person is full of it, and they're gonna tell you anything just to come back, is what I'm seeing here. And that's why for a lot of you, you're gonna cut this person off, and guess what, you have the strength to do it at this point, and you're not gonna worry about it. It's like when you cut this person off, you're done, you're over it, you're like, bye. Because at the end of the day, y'all want a happy home. You deserve to have this happy home life with someone. And you're realizing that this person is playing, and they're not going to give you that life that you want. So y'all made a decision. You want things to improve in your life, and so guess what? You removed yourself from this third-party situation. You're out of it. You know, or it could be this person that messed up. Like I said, because for some of y'all, somebody did change and they're trying to come back in. They want things to improve, so they ended this third-party situation. They got out of it because they want to be with you, but they're having a hard time right now. I feel like trying to approach you. Somebody's definitely dealing with an earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person was very childish, very immature. Could be somebody that was younger than you. Yeah, there was some type of like toxic energy here. Somebody was codependent to something, whether it's money or some type of an addiction, and that's why you had to break away from this individual. But here they come, wanting to give you their cup of love here. But I feel like, alright, so y'all could be definitely dealing with another water sign, a Pisces like yourself, Cancer, or Scorpio. But at this point, you're definitely sad because I feel like you really do care about this person. You love this person, but you're not opening up and you're not expressing yourself anymore because this person kept stabbing you in the back. You know, it's like you kept giving them a chance, you know, to try to work things out, but they just kept disappointing you. And I feel like at this point, you guys are healing. And you're realizing you don't want to start with this person. You don't want to build anything with them. Look at that. It's another 3. There was definitely a third party here. Yeah, this person put you in a third-party situation. It's like you're realizing that you're like, you know what? I don't want to build with you. I don't see anything improving with you. Yeah, the truth came out. And you guys are coming out of that energy of being sad. You're like, you know what? I deserve better. You made a decision. And like I said, you're coming out of worrying about it. You don't care. You're like, you know what? No, goodbye. Yeah, you realize there was no balance with this person. I do feel like this person is trying to come back in. They want to say something to you, but they're holding back what it is that they want to say. I feel like they're taking it day by day. They're getting stronger about like wanting to approach you to fix things. You know, they're thinking about how loyal you were to them, how good you were to them, and they want it back. But yeah, you guys are like, I don't want to move forward with you. Goodbye. Yeah. They're frustrated right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but I do feel like this person is frustrated. Maybe this other individual that messed up, they're trying to clear away things to come back towards you to fix it. Yeah, because somebody wants to take a leap towards you. Y'all got them talking to friends and family, making posts online, being anonymous and stuff, trying to figure out how to get y'all back. Like, this person here. Okay. Somebody, again, is dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but this person does not express themselves. Like, they have a hard time communicating. They just shut down, honestly. And you're just at the point where you're just not being positive about this individual. But there's a lot of conflict going on between you two. There's a lot of arguing going on. Or if you're not speaking, there just is a lot of things left unsaid. There's still conflict, you know. And it's like 1 minute somebody's made a decision. The next minute they're still, you know, weighing up their options, needing to make a decision. Do you want to give this person a chance or not? But Pisces, I feel like you're coming out of your head at this point. You're just letting it go because you're realizing you're not going to have a new beginning with this person. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I feel like this person, they don't want you to cut them off. Somebody's dealing with an air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But again, regardless, even if you don't want to cut them off, they don't want you to cut them off. This is not an equal partnership. You're the one putting in and doing all of the work. So you know if you give this person another chance, it's not going to balance out from what I'm seeing here. It's like, you know, they're not ready. And I think some of you guys are realizing that. This could be the person that, you know, you could end up being with later on down the line, but they're not ready. You're walking away. That's why I said for a lot of you guys, I feel like it's somebody new getting ready to come in. Because you have to get away from this individual. Look at that. There's a new, I told you by y'all walking away, there's a new beginning coming. Somebody's coming in. But you have to break free from this third party mess. They don't want you to look back at the past anymore. They want you to forgive, learn, and go. Okay, so the truth is coming out. Like I said, yeah, somebody wants to speak their truth, possibly about the situation. And at the end of the day, I mean, you could be dealing with a Virgo here, but if not, they're saying that it's a lesson. They need you to take a step back and reevaluate some things and make a clear-cut decision. All right, Pisces, well, that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if that resonated for you guys. All right, guys, talk to you soon.